wasn't doing anything anyway. So, is here, Trump here, I think the better question is how much do real estate values go up and how fast if Trump gets in? I think there's a strong belief that under a Trump presidency, rates will come down more rapidly. And I hear that. Obviously, the Fed says they're apolitical, whatever, it doesn't matter. Here's my thesis. 10 years from now, maybe 9 years from now, I put a target on my calendar of 2033. I think interest rates are going to be lower than they ever have been before.
Why do you think that?
Well, because it's the direction we've been on for 40 years. Deflation. If we didn't print money, we would be in rapid deflation.